What's up everyone? Next to me I have David's 2008 STI Hatch that we built him. We put this car together a while ago when we figured it was time to showcase this car on our channel and kind of walk you through the build process.
Hey guys, Ben West here from BWTuning. We just finished up wiring up the new X-Shift, fully sequential dog box 6-speed transmission. Got it wired up to the Haltech Elite Series ECU, so we can do full shift cutting, closed loop control, all the fun stuff. Gonna put on the dyno now, put it through its paces, and see how we do. All right guys, we just finished up on the dyno. The car's doing great. We started at low boost and worked our way up to our target. And so if you look over here on the dyno, we made 823 horsepower at our target boost, 636 pound-feet of torque, and revving it to about 7,500 on the dyno. We will see higher RPM on the street, but just for the purposes of seating the rings and braking the new engine, 7,500 is more than enough. So if we look at the process that we went through, starting with some low boost, that's this blue trace. We did some runs at 22 PSI, that's about 651 horsepower on this setup. And then moving up to our middle boost setting, that was about 28 PSI and that netted us 753. And then kind of our target for today, around 31 PSI, the car made 823 as you saw. So we're gonna let the car cool off. It's really hot today, we're gonna let it cool off overnight and get back to it in the morning.
First and foremost, we're going to touch on the driveline setup on the car. Of course, it's running our Misfire Motorsports long block in it, mainly connecting rods, JE pistons. It's running our ported heads with BC camshafts. The turbo kit is ETS, hot and cold side, running a precision turbocharger on it. And the part that kind of sets this car apart is the X-Shift sequential gearbox. That is an amazing piece, and it really transforms this car into the beast that it is. Stay tuned. In this video, we're going to show you guys some clips, obviously AI generated, of this car making some pulls on the street. It's pretty wild, but watch the whole video and you'll get to it. And now we're going to move to the exterior portion of this build. And if you guys have been following our builds, you guys know that we love OEM plus builds, not just big horsepower. Like, we want them to be clean, functional, and effective. In this car, we took it over to our friends at Always Painting Body Shop, and they performed a complete paint job on it, and it looks perfect. The factory color is Obsidian Black Pearl, and that's what it got. We collaborated with Inguz Forged and had a custom set of wheels made for the car. They're 18s in a brushed bronze and wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sports. For the exhaust, as you guys know, the hatch options, there really isn't very many of them, but we like the Cobb titanium, so it saves some weight, but also has that really nice appearance. The quad tips out the back. So yeah, it turned out amazing and looks really good as well. As always, we appreciate all of you guys. As you guys know, the entire team at Misfire Motorsports are obsessed and very passionate with Subarus. Ben over at BWTuning as well. He is a massive Subaru fanatic. So it's really fun to be able to portray our passion of these cars through this to our clients. It's been an absolute blast building this car with David. I mean, I feel like we've got 300 hits in this thing, and it's been running flawless. The shift cuts are perfect, the OEM drivability. We're super thankful. And David, actually, he's got some other cool cars in his stable, a couple DCT GT500s, a twin turbo R8, And if you guys want to see some action of this STI versus those, drop it in the comments. We could probably make that happen. And you'll see a Subaru out in front for sure. We'll make sure of that. But again, thank you guys so much for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel and spread the word to your friends. Have a good one.